messages were delivered by international health organizations as well as the governments of each country. A virus has been detected that makes the sufferer die slowly with a face that looks melted. This condition is certainly very painful and disgusting. Therefore, there are several things we can do. Do not eat anything related to substances that come from animals that live in the mud. Do not come close to, let alone come into contact with people with this virus. Don't stay up too late so often that your immunity will be weakened by it. Those are the things we can do to stay away from this virus. However, this information may change in the future. So, stay tuned and don't miss out on any information. Thank you for listening to these messages. We at the International Health Organization thank you.